Airbags, yeah, airbag. The seatbelt scoots an airbag. I saw the seatbelt.
Yeah, I got an airbag too. One drive in unless I put an airbag in the That's good, bud.
Hey, good morning everybody. My name is Bistrigini and welcome to the Street Rollers Car Show at SK8 Skate Center. So beautiful day today and there are a lot of beautiful cars here and I believe there's some more showing up too. So we're gonna go ahead and start filming some cars and let's get right into it, folks. Does what I know. Strong start to the show with this Nova. Got a beautiful Fox body here. array of characters on top of the dash there.
Let me tell you why there's frogs up there.
Oh yeah, let's hear it.
Not a Jeep.
Not a There you go, not a Jeep. Yes.
Put your shoe up here and I'll tie it.
Oh yeah. Oh, wow, thank you. So the owner is tying my shoes as we speak, so I'm getting the royal treatment here. I don't know why. I'm no king by any means. I guess I'm the king photographer if that makes me a king, but
yeah. All right, well, would you like a car?
would I like a car? I'll take a car, sure.
What kind of car you want? You want a Z car? You want a,
Oh, he's got some cars here too.
car?
Check it out, man. Yeah, I'll take a.
you want a Z
Oh,
car?
look at that. Yeah, I'll take one. Look at that. So the owner is giving me one of these cars. What? Oh, look, that's what is that one? That's
Take your pick, man. Take your pick.
This is a tough choice here. Oh, you got two really nice looking cars there. Three, whole bunch of cars.
Yeah.
Are these Matchbox or Hot Wheels? This is
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
not sure which one this
They're a
is.
little bit airy.
Because I used to collect these when I was younger. I used to collect like
I
Match.
think this is one of them crash cars.
We give them to the little kids.
Yeah, we give them away.
Yeah. I guess I'm a little kid supposedly. I like that one. That's nice. I'll take
it.
Take it, yeah.
So the owner has just given me this beautiful die-cast car here. I don't know what this one is. Looks like a Viper. I don't think it's a Viper. It actually looks like a TVR even. I'm kind of curious what this is. Yeah.
Look at this.
Hey folks, so this is kind of roughly where we left off, maybe a little bit earlier. And we were just finishing this car right over here. This Fairlane Victoria, I believe it says. Beautiful car. Gotta get the bike too, gotta get the bike. Nice Harley there, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. We gotta come back and get that one. We got some British action here. Check out the patina on this. So folks, I'm just kind of getting an overview here, and I definitely want to get some more details of these cars. Oh my. Oh my God, I love that pre-World War II action here, man, I'm telling you. You know what? That could actually make a good thumbnail. What do you think, folks? Just a shot right there. Got the dash there, and then some of the cars in the background. Let's get this row of cars here. Whew. Nice 55 there. Got that truck there. Oh, look at that. The skill shot right there. Sorry. This is the first time at any car show I've seen cornhole. It makes me want to play. How about this Jeep representation here? Whew. Skull action there. Yeah, that's tough. Don't sleep on the Jeeps, guys. Do not sleep on the Jeeps. Do not sleep on the Jeeps, guys. 13th child not messing around. 13th child not messing around. Let's go, baby. That's kind of close. Stop. I think we left off here. There's a gasser again, and the owner that gave me one of his die-cast cars. Get it out of his yard, out of their yard. Let's go, Melvin, let's go. Oh! That's how the street rollers do. Converter, transmission. Instead of letting 107. I'm very sad. So this is a Buick Wildcat. I think we saw this in Mount Holly. I'm pretty sure this was Mount Holly we saw this. Too bad his windows aren't down, man. I want to get the inside.
He's right. Oh, they were just.
So check out the Mercury Cougar here, folks. Definitely don't see too many of these. So Fox bodies definitely have some sex appeal. What do you guys think? I think Fox bodies have a lot of sex appeal. Camaro, man. That might be a good thumbnail too. What do you think, folks? Look at that. Hey, folks, so I know we got these cars already, but now, you know, I'm trying to get more details here. Oh, this guy's not open. Continue the shot here, get the back at least. That's a nice shot too, look at that.
If anybody hasn't registered their car yet that came in.
Man, look at the paint job on this Fox body, man. You know what, guys, I'm sorry I failed to get detailed footage of the Viper at the Mount Holly show. God, look at that V10, bro. So now we'll get some more details. It's always nice to see a Viper. You don't see too many of these. At least I don't see too many Vipers. Look how sporty. Yo, that will be a nice thumbnail. Look at that. I think that will be my thumbnail. What do you think, folks?
He spun out and everything happened. And I had, my wife bought a 2009 Mustang. Same day as our first date.
Old school MG. Folks, wait until you see this. Not that. It was always cool to see some decor here. Just wait till you see this. Tell me this is not the sexiest Impala you've ever seen. The Vega we saw earlier, that Pro Street Vega.
Data plate. Yeah, that should be collected.
Yeah, he's still there. They're still there. On the second house in. They're like the second
For the winery.
Oh, do you? Okay. Oh, sweet.
So,
Yeah, I gotta watch wine. I've had a couple experiences with wine. All right, cool, man. So the owner here drives it for the winery, Kenny Cellars.
there's a card of it.
Okay, I'll grab it. Perfect. Ooh, nicely done, my man. Very nicely done. So look, the sun is doing us a little bit better now, so we should be able to get some better shots here. Oh, that's very nice. Look at that. Yo, that is a nice interior, folks.
normal activities, and it light exercise. The fact that that's showing up, so it's not really truly eroding. You really shouldn't feel that. And I'm doing really heavy, so it's a competitive hour. Okay. He said, that doesn't sound, and they did, they found it exactly what he thought it was. Right.
check it out, folks. This is the info on this Benz I'm about to show you. One of 1,200 worldwide. And this car does 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds back in 2002. Now check this car out. Look at this Benz here, man. Whew, that's a beauty. We get the inside of her too. Look at those lights there. Oh yes, look at that retro styling there, folks. So as I ponder over this dash, check that out. Look at that. Talk about retro, man. I wonder if those are cassette tapes, because I used cassette tapes back in the day. So I'm an old head as well. Dodge Coronet. 69 Dodge Coronet. Beautiful, beautiful, stunning car. Yep, All right, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage to this point. It looks like they're doing the raffle now. In any case, hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Looks like we got all the cars. So I'm probably just gonna walk around a little bit and just kind of mosey around. I'd like to get the cars as they're leaving, so we'll see if we can do that. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw today, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Buggy, that's Dan Hobson.
All right, Dan. It's hard to call it a rat ride because it looks so nice, but. Andy made that trophy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is. Almost as nice as your car, ain't it?
Yeah, nice.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Okay, the next one is for a patriotic award, and that's going to go to number 34, the 2018 Silverado, Frank Zetto.
All right, Frank.
Hey, you should have brought the skates and put them right here, too. You should have rolled up with them on.
You can use them if you want.
Oh, hey, what up? Break my butt. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Cheers out Tuesday night.
Okay, the award for motorcycle bike was number 3, the Harley Bagger by Tom Stones.
Tom.
Hey.
The next one is the Jeep Group, and we chose number 40, Beetlejuice by Chris Patterson. Woo! That was a really tough category. Wish we could pick them all.
You got them chicken wings earlier.
Chicken wings going on.
Yeah. All right, we go, man.
Okay, the next one is for 3rd place, and that's going to go to number 20, the 67 Chevelle Malibu, Frank D'Antonio.
Nice job, man.
All righty. No, you're good. Found a spot.
All right, bro. See you Tuesday night.
Okay, next is going to be the number 2 award. That's going to go to number 56, 55 Chevy. It's turquoise and it's Carlos Barrios.
There you go.
I got the picture.
Okay, the next one's going to be first place, which was hard between the best of show and first place. First place goes to number 2, the 69 Cornet by Mark Schneider.
Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Okay, last but not least, the best of show goes to number 59, the 64 Buick Wildcat by Sandra Alessandrio.
Yes, ma'am.
Man.
Woo, for the ladies.
Right.
Yeah, God.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, out. Thank you for coming out. You know, every Tuesday night we have one name's bowling out. Okay. The name bowling Tuesday night. All right. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
What a good turnout. And I thank Jimmy so much for letting us be in here. When we first started this, it was 2 years ago. Me and Jimmy was doing it for nothing. He wasn't charging nobody for anything. So after we come up with the car club, me and Cy, but I'm calling Billy Ray Cyrus, and it's just so good. I want to turn you over to Cy.
I'm good, man. I talked enough today. I think I talked enough today, but I do have one more thing to say. Thank you. Everybody be safe going home. And a shout out to Matthew for DJing. He did a great job. And all our other guys that helped out today, we appreciate you. Tim, he's going to have it on YouTube.
Yep.
Check him out. Thank you very much, guys. See you.
Like popcorn, sorry, not hot.
I know. Yep, see you, man. Take care, Matt. We'll see you. Take care, Matt. We'll see you. See you, man. Take care. There you go, man. Okay, yeah. Take care, man. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. See you, man. Thank you. Yep. Hey, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and wrap things up for the Street Rollers car show here at SK8. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Bistrini. I provide car content. I cover classics. I cover custom. I cover exotics. You know, I travel to a lot of different venues and a lot of different shows to capture the best car footage. Most importantly, if you enjoyed the footage that you guys saw today, go ahead, hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.